Hey guys, so today I created this look with the Uoma Beauty Black Magic palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, I am super excited to be filming this video. So I told you guys a few weeks ago that I wanted to purchase some more products from some Black-owned companies. So today I'm going to be using a palette from Uoma Beauty. This is the Allure Black Magic palette. First of all, how cool is this packaging? I love this. And this is what the inside looks like. It gave me subculture vibes, and you guys know I love the colors in subculture, so I'm very, very excited to use this palette. All those shimmer shades up top just look so gorgeous. So I'm excited to dig into this palette, try something new, try a new formula, and support a Black-owned makeup brand. I also bought their Woke concealer as well, so I'm going to try this today as an eyeshadow primer. I have dry eyelids, so concealer works well for me as an eyeshadow primer, but it might not work well for everyone. But let's see how this goes. By the way, I got an eyelash lift and tint, which is why my lashes just look so freaking good right now. This is one of my favorite services to get done on myself. And then I am going to set that with some translucent powder. And now I'm ready for eyeshadow. I'm going to start with the shade Romantic on a Sigma E25. And I'm going to place this shade in my crease. Now I'm going to pick up Love on the same brush, and I'm going to kind of pat this on my outer corner and just focus it on the outer part of my eye. Ooh, I love this color. Is this shade called Love? Yep. There we go. I love Love. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Romantic and just kind of blend on top of that to make sure it's nice and blended. And then I am adding just a little bit more Love. I'm kind of going back and forth between the two colors until I'm happy with how this looks. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush. This is a Sigma E30 in the shade Opulence. And I'm going to deepen up my outer corner even more. And once I have that placed down, I'm going to go back to my E25 and just very gently blend over that. Alright, now I need to use one of these gorgeous like shimmery glitter shades. I don't know which one to use. There's 3 of the shimmers. Look at the, oh my goodness. I think I like this Divine shades. I'm going to take that on a Sigma E54. And I am going to spray my brush with some setting spray. Just because it seems like these shades have little bits of glitter in them, so by wetting my brush, it'll be easier to pick up the shadow. And let's go kind of on the inner part of my lid. It's like a goldish green color. I love this. That is so pretty. I love that shimmer. Now I'm just going to apply some of that concealer down here because I don't have any on right now. This concealer looks really, really nice. I know Samantha Ravindal always like raves about this concealer, so I'm excited to keep using it. I think I want to play with that matte green shade, so I'm going to take my E30 and I'm going to clean it off on my Vera Mona color switch. This just gets all the extra pigment off of the brush. And I'm going to pick up Lush. I'm going to place that, I think, on the outer part of my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take a little bit of this yellow shade and kind of use that to help blend out this green. Okay, and then I want to take this Enchantress color and I want that right on this inner part of my lower lash line. Oh, I love this. It's like a lime yellowy green shimmer. Ooh, maybe I want this on my lid too. I'm actually going to add some of that up here as well. There's just something about like a yellowy green shimmer that I'm obsessed with. And then I am going to pop on just a little bit of highlighter in my inner corner. This palette does have the shade Lady of Gold, but I swatched it and it's a little too deep to be a highlighter on me, but that's totally fine. And I think I'm just going to pop on some mascara, so I'll be right back. Alright, I popped in some mascara. No fake eyelashes today just because my lashes are already so lifted. I feel like I don't need lashes. I did use the new Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. And then I did pop a little bit of a bright green pencil in my waterline. I used ColourPop Electric Daisy. And here's my final look. I literally used 7 out of the 10 shades in this palette today. I had a fun time just playing with a new palette and a new brand that I've never used before. I think I'm most obsessed with the shimmers in this palette. I just can't get over the yellowy green color. It's freaking beautiful. Let me know if you guys have tried any palettes from Uoma Beauty. I would love to know, and if you have a favorite, please tell me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.